Welcome all. Kindly wait for a couple of minutes for the other students to join. Welcome all. So we can start in sharply at 6:05. 1 minute only available. Please wait. So welcome all. So once again, I am welcoming each and everyone who joined this webinar. So greetings to all participants. I am Ayyappan from All Pro Trainings, your guide in this webinar. So at All Pro Trainings, we offer diverse training specializing in IT technologies, electrical, electronics, and soft skills. Having trained over 30,000 students globally, we have placed many in top MNCs. Our course offers includes many things like masterclass or webinar that you are attending now, the flash course, which will come about 5 to 10 hours, and the full course which will come about 30 plus hours. So let's explore the agenda, covering student intros, a 45-minute masterclass, a 20-minute question and answer session, and APT student guides, exclusive offers, and 5-minute feedback section for certificates. So in front of going to the webinar, I like to present a short video which explain about us, like what is All Pro Trainings, what we are doing. I am presenting the video. Kindly watch it. I am sharing the screen. 1 second. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. So this is a short introduction about all pro trainings. So next, I'd like to present the agenda PPT. Once again, I'm sharing the screen. So once again, I welcome each and everyone. So the total webinar will come about 90 minutes, in which initial 5 minutes for the students introduction. I mean the participant introduction. You can introduce about yourself in the chat. Then webinar content, the expert will take the webinar content for 45 minutes. Then query session, 20 minutes it will go. Then students guide. So we will present all pro training students guide, how we are differing from other training center, how we are exclusively giving our courses to our students. Okay, so how they are placed in various MNCs. So those things we are going to teach here. Then APT offers, exclusive offer for those who are attended webinar today. Then queries and feedback session, final 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the webinar overview. Let's get started. Okay, so welcome everyone to the Java webinar. Next, I like to introduce about the trainer. So the trainer name is Rajeshwari. Telling about her, she is having vast experience in the IT industry, especially in Java, Java backend, SQL, and related stuff. She's a well expert. She already trained 10,000 plus students all over the world. Okay, so she is going to present the webinar today. She's totally having 11 plus years of experience in the IT industry. Okay, so in front of going to the webinar, I request each and every participant to introduce about yourself in the chat. Okay, and also I like to present a short PPT in front of going to that. Please be ready. In the short PPT, will explain more about us, like all pro trainings. So what we are doing, how many students we are trained, to whom we have already have partnership. Everything I'm going to explain now. Kindly watch it. Sorry, I was in mute. Thanks for intimating me. No, nothing, but I just explain about all pro trainings. So like we are providing trainings to the students, freshers, as well as the experienced professional to advance their careers. So we are providing training all over the world, like India, Australia, Singapore, European countries. Our vision is to train more than 10 million people worldwide. Okay. So we are providing courses like IT courses, electrical and electronic courses, and soft skill courses. Like these are the types of training: individual training, corporate training, college training we are providing. Free webinar. So participants who are participating this today will get the free certificate from the All Pro trainings, then flash course or workshop, which will come about 5 to 10 hours, and then the full course, which will come over 35 plus hours. Okay. Then corporate training also we are providing, college training also we are providing, online as well as offline campus training. Then why all pro trainings? All these advantages you will get. So you will get like this convenient timing, lifelong community support, recordings of all classes, sample resumes, mock interview questions, everything you will get it. Then these are some of the courses we are providing, like RPA, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, ERP tools, front-end developer. Then list of the other courses like back-end developer, database, automation testing, CRM tools, and also like programming languages, all kind of programming languages: HTML, CSS, jQuery, C, C++, VB.NET, Java, Perl, Python, Go, business analyst, everything we are providing. The electrical and electronic courses. Our achievements is like I already told, we already trained more than 25,000 plus students as well as employees worldwide. They're working in various MNCs. These are some of our clients, and these are some of the certifications our students have completed till now. So this is all about the introduction about all pro trainings. Next, I request the students to introduce about yourself in the chat box. I'm going to unmute the chat box. You can tell about your name, what you are currently doing, and your expectation. So why you are attending this webinar? What is the purpose of it? Those you can tell. Okay. So you can tell in the chat. Like you can tell your name, your experience, what you are currently doing, and your expectation in this Java webinar, and why you are going to learn Java. What is your main motive on that? Yeah, welcome Ritika, student to get knowledge about Java. Excellent, very good. How about others? Then Robert, welcome Robert. Jyotime Siddhi, currently pursuing BTech final year, to know about the roadmap of Java developer. Soumya Ranjandal, BTech final year, knowledge about Java. Welcome. Asan CSC second year, I want to become a Java developer. Pondian A, Hirshi Magda, I'm a student. I'm in my TY. I'm here to learn Java so that I can create applications and games. I am Manjari Verma. I am currently college student. I wanted to learn Java because I'm interesting in language. RS Divya Renuka Alvar. I am MBA student to get know about Java. Welcome Renuka. I am Divya Ravina. I am graduate to know in detail about Java. Welcome Ravina. Riddhi Sona Win student to learn Java. Welcome Riddhi. Rahul Kumar, welcome. Rakshita student, know more about Java. Rakshita, welcome. Rahul. Currently finished my BE CSA. I get knowledge in Java. Welcome, Rahul. Lalita Kshit Sagar, be final year student to get more knowledge about Java. Welcome. Karthi from Trichy, ECE department, knowledge about Java. Divyadashni, BCSE fresher to learn more about Java. Vinod Kumar, fresher, IT field. So learn things in pro training institution. Welcome, Vinod Kumar. Sure. BCA fresher, Divya Ravina. Ashwin, BTech CSE final year student. Welcome, Khashita. Sulkarnain, I'm studying in second year CS. Enthusiastic to learn about Java to make more applications. Satish, or student to learn Java. Tarkeshwar Baru, trainer professor with the experience of 16 years. I want to provide training on behalf of your organization. Yeah, definitely. Sambat Kumar, welcome. Pallavi Takalkar, student, welcome. Satish Kumar, Siva Kumar, agriculture engineering final year student, welcome. Vinesh, Saranan Vel, Vidyashri, Vaishnavi Agni, Shankar, student of code in Java, Rahul Kumar, Ritika, Priya, Krishnan, Sir Janant Krishnan currently, Karthikeyan, yes, Lokesh from Salem, Manikandan final year, Roshni Diwari, Priyanka, Pradeep Kumar, Tamarai Silvan, and Arya Ravishankar. So thank you very much for everybody who introduced about yourself. It's excellent to see most of the people are students and freshers who are currently working. Few people are experienced people from all over India. Divya, software engineer HCL, currently in career break, want to upskill in technologies. Excellent. Okay. Now we can start this webinar. I request the trainer to introduce about yourself and you can start this webinar. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ayappan. This is Rajeshwari. Welcome, everyone. So I will be the trainer for this particular webinar. Okay, so Ayappan has already introduced about myself. So I have 10 plus of years of experience with trainings with Java. So I was actually a Java developer. Now, in past 5 to 6 years, I've been handling trainings. Okay, all right, people. So let me share my screen. Okay. So just put me yes, no in the chat box saying that is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Fine. Okay. So I welcome you all for this particular Java course. So the purpose of it is making you people a hands-on experience. So every concept I will be explaining through the hands-on. Okay, so every part of the concept will be done in the form of code. So that is why this is a interactive and it is a wonderful experience to learn Java. Okay, so the agenda for today is very small. I cannot go to these topics. This is the actual course. But yes, I will try as much as possible to cover with the first line. So saying that at least I will introduce your Java first program, why Java is come into picture, and how it has become widely so popular. Okay, fine. So there are many topics. There's some of you have asked a roadmap of Java. So I was able to see that. So the roadmap of Java is like a slightly like as you go on learning, it is like a nice and it has its own learning curve. So basically it has core Java, advanced Java, backend, then comes the full stack. So that is the actual learning curve. But yes, there is a timeline and one has to get used to the timeline. All right, people. So let's dive into the Java world. So the first person who started Java and why, because of him, we are able to do so many things is the person called as James Gosling. He initiated Java and initially it was called as Oak. It was not given the name saying Java. Later he came up with the name called as Java. Java does not have any short form, full form. It's just a name. So if you have familiar with this Indonesian island, saying Java. Actually, he picked up that particular island name and renamed it as Java. And his favorite coffee cup became the logo of Java. So that is how actually it started. When I was actually a Java developer, Sun Microsystem was the owner of Java. And recently, Oracle has overtaken the ownership, and Oracle is now the owner of Java. So write once, run anywhere. This is the thumb rule of Java, which means that we are going to write the source code only once. Okay. But once the code is compiled and converted into a bytecode, I can pass it to even you people without any additional source code or actual Java code. You can still work with the code. That is one good feature about Java. So now coming to actually what is Java? Java is nothing but a programming language, and in particular, it is object-oriented programming language. So someone asks you about what is the Java, you must be able to say that it's an object-oriented programming language. So coming to this word, which is object-oriented. So any of you are familiar or heard of this? Yes, please. I need yes, no, or any explanation in case if you need, if you have. Go ahead, people. What is the meaning of object-oriented programming or object-oriented? Even if you have learned about C++, yes, you would have understood. Okay, Divya, I can see some of you saying yes. All right. So basically, object-oriented is nothing but, it's like you see a car on the road, okay? You just see a car on the road, that is an object. So we relate our programming into a real world object. Okay. So the car, the moment you see the car, we can find certain features, certain properties, that it has a color, it has a brand or four wheels, or whatever physical features. So those are the features of Java. The same car object, which is in the real world, can be converted, or we can simply write a Java code for our car. So any real world object you can write in the form of a code, and that is why we call it as object oriented programming language. We can relate it to the basically a real life, and you can start thinking from that point of view. So that is what is the meaning of object oriented programming language. So next, where you would have seen Java in the real world. So many of you will have these Android mobile phones. That is the best example of Java. You can ask me why? Because Android operating system is itself built on top of Java. So internally it uses Java, and Android is built on top of Java. That is why ultimately Java is there in those Android phones. And not only that, we have different desktop applications like Acrobat Reader, Media Player, Antivirus. There are a lot of web applications. Yes, this is the most important reason why Java has become popular. That is web application. A lot of websites are built using Java. Like for example, there is irctc.com you would have used for train booking and all that. And javapoint.com. This is a wonderful tutorial. And enterprise applications, yes, banking application, because of the security feature of Java, Java has been widely used in bank applications. Mobile phones, embedded systems, smart card, robotics, gaming. Yes, a lot of you play games, right? So that is one of the important application where Java has been widely used. Now coming to flavors of Java. So what are the types of Java basically? So I did, or the roadmap you asked me, right? So something similar to that we have. Well, first, the fundamentals, Java so the basic syntax, how to write the code, how to work with the code, that's all covered as part of core Java. Or also we call it as standard edition Java SE. And then once you learn this, you can go ahead and learn. This is not sufficient. It is less like a plain cake. Okay. So this is just like a plain cake. It will not taste you so good. But if you want to go for a cream cake, right? Then this is add-on saying that Java EE or Enterprise Edition is good to have. Wonderful. Okay. And on top of this, if you want to say you want to have a pastry, then Java full stack is the one which will be like a pastry. Okay. I'm giving you some examples so that you can relate it. Okay. Now coming to the last flavor type of Java, which is micro edition, it is used for the basically mobile phones applications. So these are the three flavors of Java: core Java, Java Enterprise Edition, and micro edition. Okay, so generally my sessions are more interactive and you can ask me any question in the chat box. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn some basic code. So all my training session begin with this particular training editor. Actually, you also people can have this. Just go to your Google and I will send you the link. Don't no worries. So there is this, I can just say it as online compiler, Java online compiler. And you can choose, many of them are there, but I stick to this particular JDoodle and I'm more comfortable. So this is not, this part is, you can delete this part. It is not required. You can just close this part. So this is the editor which will help us to as a beginner, you can just use this particular editor. So I hope everyone can see my editor. Please say yes, no in the chat box. Okay, Divya. Only Divya is able to see. What about others? Yes, no people. I have 90 plus members here. All right, great. Okay, so now coming to this particular program which I have here. So it is like 9 lines of code. Yes, it seems to be a very short code, but yes, it has a lot of details in it. Okay, it is not that straightforward that you people think. So any Java code will start with this particular line, which is public class. So public meaning that it is like available for anyone, any other class to use. So similar to how you have the public garden, public library, right? Anyone can go there, borrow the book in a library. Anyone can go to the garden, go for a walk, right? So that is where this public has been picked from. So this class has been made as public because any other class can use this particular class without any restriction. That is what is the meaning of public keyword. So these purple things that you see, developing things, these are all keywords of Java. These are specific things that are related to Java and you have to get used to these keywords. So coming to this keyword called as class. So without a class, you cannot write any piece of code in Java. So then what is a class? So what is a class? Class is nothing but it's a place where my code is written, or as simple as it is a template for my code. So all the code will sit within the class. If you write the code after line number 9, it will not be considered or it will get an error. But in fact, if you go to line number 8 and write the code, yes, it is considered. So that is why class is a keyword which will help us to write our Java code. And coming to this next keyword, which is the name of the class. It need not be my class itself. It can be, say, for example, I'm doing a code on addition. So it can be called as addition. So we can write any name for this particular class. Then this curly brackets make saying that the code is starting from here and the code is ending here. So code ends in line number 9. So this is where my class starts and class is ending. So this is a class beginning and the class ends here. Okay, now let's go through this particular lines of code once I just or run the code. So I will just scroll down and I'll click on execute. Let's see the output now. So in the output section, when I scroll down, so there you get saying that sum of x plus y equal to 35. So now Java, we need not write right number somewhere. We are saying, okay, Ajay is saying something. Let's, I will check in Ajay. Okay, we no need to write the number. What number? What is the number? You can explain that, please, Ajay, in the chat box. Okay. So now the output says that sum of x plus y is equal to 35. Correct? So how is this output getting printed? So anyone, any idea before I explain which line or what it is doing? Just send me a quick message in the chat box with your own explanation. So any idea how we are getting sum of x plus y is 35? Okay, so let me explain. So basically, what this code is doing is, this code is trying to add certain values. So basically, you can see that there is a variable. This is saying that x is equal to 10, y is equal to 25, and I am able to say add x plus y and store it in z. And here I'm trying to say sum of x plus y equal to z. Z is holding x plus y, which is 10 plus 25, this 35. So basically this line is saying that sum of x plus y equal to the value of z, which is nothing but 35. Okay. So this code is adding x plus y. So people try to run the code. Yes, correct, Balasubramaniam. You're right. Add the value of x plus y. In the chat box, I am sending you people the link, and you people can use this link and just get the output of it. Then we'll go ahead. Just click on the link and then scroll down, look at the code, at least line number 1 to 9. Just have a look at it and then click on execute. Okay, Jyoti, try to get a sum of x plus y equal to, it should show as, say, for example, 60. How will you get that output? For those of you who have got the output, make the changes to the code so that you get an output of 60. Sum of x plus y equal to 60. That is what it has to show up. Anyone who got 60? Okay, how many of you executed? Please put me a S message in the chat box. And those who are able to get 60, those who have got 60, please send me that I got 60. Okay, Soma, Srinivas. Okay, Jyoti has got. Okay, Shankar, Divya. Good response. Rahul, okay. Okay, keep messaging. I will be checking in between. Okay, so now in order to get the output of 60, very simple. What the changes? Can anyone tell me where I have to change? This I have to change it to 35. So because x plus 5 we are supposed to add, and y is holding the value as 25 already. So let's add 35 to it and we will check. I'll scroll down and execute. And there, if I check, you get an output saying that sum of x plus 5 is 60. Perfect. Only change the value of variables. Correct. Okay, 30 plus 30. That is also right, Divya. Okay. So now you understood this code, I believe. But let's understand some more details on this part of the code. So basically line 1 is saying that it is a class and you can change the name of the class. I gave a different name and it still works. Now this is a curly bracket. Curly bracket meaning that the code starts here, but the other, where is the, we need to close. We need to always make sure there are even number of curly brackets. One is opened here, the other one is closed here. How do I know it is closed? Because the moment I clicked on this particular curly bracket, the other one is boxed here. It has been highlighted. So this is the curly bracket matching this. Or if I click here, then it is boxed here and the other one matching one will be boxed here. So this is how it is. We need to close and open the curly brackets equally. Now line number 2 is very important line without which you cannot have any Java code working. So this line we call it as entry point for the code to run the Java code. Okay. So basically, whenever you want to execute the Java code, public static void main string args. This line is a must. And we call this as a main method because it is like the main door of our Java code. So you have a room. So class is like a room and this room will have an door, main door, right? So that main door we can enter. So the exactly similar way, this public static void main behaves. The moment I click execute, this is the line which starts the execution of the code and it will go line wise. That is how it is. Very important and it is called as entry point for Java code. Next, this is int x is equal to y. So int is nothing but it holds an integer value. Okay, because we are storing 35. It is nothing but it is an integer value. That is why the keyword we have to use is int. X is a name of the variable. So I can even say number 1. That also works. Okay. And wherever I have X, I will just change it to number 1. And Y, I can change it to number 2. I just rename the variables. Need not be X and Y every time. Can be any number, any variable. So I'll change it to here and the other side also. This is just whatever we put here, it will be printed. So sum of numbers, we will change it as numbers and we'll put 3 dots. So now also we will still be able to see the same added a value as 60, but slightly message change will be there. Sum of numbers, sum of x plus 5 has been changed to sum of numbers and 3 dots. Oh, this is how you can make some small changes. And these are just the variables. And here also you can change it and you can give a better name saying sum. Okay. So this is how you can start working with the started working. Okay. Make the change now. Change the variables and then also change the message here. And let me know if you can do it. Take the next 2 minutes. After you're done, please let me know that you're done. Change the variable names, number 1, number 2, or any other names you can use. Make sure you use them properly. Wherever X is there, put number 1. Okay, Rahul. Jyoti, okay. Okay, Balasubramaniam, Divya. Great. Okay, keep messages. Fine. Now, this is how my code is working. So supposing if I want to add certain decimal values, then how do I do it? So basically for decimals, we have to use float, or even you can use double. Double is nothing but for holding the decimal values. So supposing I want to give 3.5 and I want to add it with another double number, decimal number basically 2.5. Okay, 3.5 plus 2.5 is what I want to add. Double is nothing but for holding the decimal values. Now I want to store these decimals. Then the data type, this is called as the data type, is double. It's no more int now. And we must be able to see 6.0 as the sum of numbers. Let's execute. So see, sometimes you will end up in an error here. Why this error? Because it is saying incompatible types. So incompatible types is nothing but, see, I'm adding double. Numbers have been changed as double values, but I'm storing it as an integer value. So it is saying that possible lossy conversion from double to int. So this, we have to handle the errors properly, understand them, and then we need to fix the errors. So let's go back and make the changes. Here it cannot hold int value. This time it will be again double. So this all the numbers we need to change it to double. Let's execute now. So there you get sum of numbers is 6.0. So this is how you can handle the decimal numbers and you can still work with your Java code. Now supposing if I want to subtract, can anyone tell me how do I subtract? Where, which line number? Can you tell me the line number where I have to make the changes? Line number 5, okay. Okay, correct. But Jyoti, we can use float also. I'll explain that part also. Just hold on, Jyoti. Yes. So line number 5, because I'm adding the numbers, instead of adding, if I change the plus to minus, then if I execute, there I get 1.0, just 3.5 minus 2.5 is definitely 1.0. I should change the message also here. It's not sum, it is difference, correct? So let's change it from sum to difference. And I'll execute. There you must be difference of numbers is 1.0. This is good. Okay, so there is not only double, we can even use float numbers. Float are slightly lower decimal values. Okay, so they can change it to float also. Make sure you change it everywhere to avoid the error. And we have to add F along with the numbers. So along with the values, add an F. F meaning that it will be a float value. So here we have added F with the values, and let's see now, we can still be able to work with the code. So I executed. Definitely output will not change. It will remain the same because ultimately difference remains. I have not changed any numbers. but I've only changed the data type. So the difference between double and float is that float is for lower decimal values and double is for higher decimal values. That's the difference. Okay, so I hope this clears your doubt, Jyoti. Yes, okay. And Rahul is saying public class in addition, it's subtract. Okay, so class name actually you can give any name. You can even make it as a calculator. So that does not matter. Class name is just a name given for that particular class, but give relevant names. Yes, you're right up to some extent. It has to be like yeah, the code is doing something else, but the name of the class is something else. So it'll be like out of phase. So keep them in phase, saying that name of the, by just looking at the name of the class, you must be able to find out whatever the class is doing. So previously I had made it at addition because it was adding. Now I had made it as a calculator, or you can call it subtract or subtraction or diff. You can call it with any name. Name can be any related name about what the code is doing. So I kept it as calculator because I wanted to show you many more things. So there I get difference of numbers is 1.0. Next, let's make it multiplication. So just change this number and you can just put the star here, asterisk here. And here, let's say product of numbers. And you will still be able to work with the multiplication of numbers, saying whatever is a multiplication, it will just show up in float values. So this is how you can make the changes on any piece of code very easily. Okay. So any doubts here so far? Anyone? I hope things are you're able to catch up with the things. Any doubts? Okay, so let's make a small interesting thing. Let me just show you. Okay, why don't we make up, since I told you that we are working with an object oriented programming language, right? So why don't we make up a simple code for car, right? So can you tell me what are the features of a car? So please send me a message in the chat box. What are the features of the car? What do you see? What do you do? Send me those things, those details. I'll pick some of the details, not all of them. Color, speed, okay, Ajay. What do you see about a car? Color, model, company, price. Okay, Shankar. Now the car comes, the topic has been changed from calculator to car. So things are becoming interesting, right? Okay, let's keep things interesting. Yeah, go ahead, people. Engine, accelerator, brake, clutch, glass. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 4-seater, 6-seater. All right. Yes, keep them on. So now we will make the piece of code for car code. Okay. Yes, model, price, brake. Yes, right, Jyoti. Okay, I will delete all the lines of code here. We will not have any lines of code. We'll start from the scratch saying, let's make up a car code and we will display here. We'll just put a comment what this code is doing. Display the brand of the car and color of the car. Color of, sorry, of the car. Okay. So the very first thing what we have to do is we have to start with public class and give a nice name, a relative name for the class. So let's call it car. Open the curly bracket and you have to close the curly bracket. It's opened here. It has to be closed here. The next thing is we have to have this line, which is an entry point for Java. What is it? Which is the entry point for Java? Look at your JDoodle and tell me. Or in fact, you can copy the line of code. You can. Yes, some of you are right. Yes, it's the main method. So let's make a public static void main. Open the brace and string square bracket args. And open the curly bracket again. Again, the other one will be closed for you. So let's use a string. String meaning that whenever I want to use words and sentences, then you have to use this keyword called as string. So string, let's call it a brand. Brand of the car is, let's say, which brand? Give me some names. I will pick Tata. Okay. Yes. Any other names? Audi, Kia, BMW. Okay. Ferrari. Okay. Fine. So let's keep the brand of the car. I will not pick any of that. I'm very sorry. Okay. I will keep it as Honda. So car brand, let's keep it as Honda. Keep messages. So this is the name brand of the car. And next we will give a color of the car. So now again, color is also in the form of words and sentences. Who can tell me what is its data type? Color of the car. What is the data type of it? So how should I start? Correct. Give me the exact line of code. How I have to write it. Correct. String is correct. So send me the line of code in the chat box. Perfect, Divya. Yes. Pandian A. Yes. Jyoti, Ajay, correct. Harshita, yes, correct. Yes. Right. You people are right. So I will copy one of the things here. I am lazy at typing, so let me pick. So some of you have not ended with a semicolon, so I will end up with a semicolon. Okay, color black. Now, supposing I have to display, okay, then I have to use system.out.println and car is, and I'll just put the 3 dots and I'll put a plus. Plus stands for here, not an addition here. It's just join the words. Okay. So car is, and I will just give, uh, I will use saying that color black and Honda. Now that is brand. So I have given this line of code. What do you people think? It's yeah, you can give some spaces. That spaces does not matter. I can put more spaces here. See, does not matter. We will say that as concatenation. Correct, Harshita. So some of you are already familiar, just that you want to learn many more concepts. Correct? Yeah. So here I have written saying that car is color and brand will get displayed. So what do you people think will be the output? You can send me the line of code so that you can cross-verify what you understood and what's the expected. Yes, go ahead. Yes, Bala, Harshita, Shankar, okay, Jesh, Jyoti. Yeah, Rahul, correct. Okay, so let's run the code. You can verify your answers. So yeah, we have ended in a semicolon. So who can tell me how do I fix this error? Which line number, what I have to do? So it says line number 7. It is expecting a semicolon, but I have missed a semicolon. That is why it has pointed out saying that there is a missing semicolon. Let me go back and fix the error. Yes, you are right. Okay, let's execute and verify your answers. So car is black Honda. So there's no space here. Let's add one space. So for adding one space, though I have given so much of space, it is not accepted. Okay, that makes it clear. So I will put one more plus and just give double quotes. Whatever you use in double quotes, it will get displayed directly. Okay, so I have given one space here. So that is why it will give car is 3 dots and then black with only one space. Now I have given only so much of space, only one space, a black, and again one space. Brand of the car is Honda. Let's check. So there you get the output. Okay, so this is what I have planned for today. What I want you people to do is just make up a quick code for car and display your brand of the car. All alone, I want one feature, feature of the class of the car. You please display it, and you can let me know if you have any issues or any. Correct, correct. You people are right. Some semicolon missing. Yes, and use semicolon. Okay, correct. So let me know if you people can complete this piece of code, please. Just display the one feature of the car. It could be even number of wheels. It could be brake, accelerate, speed. Take the next 2 to 3 minutes. In case you end up an error, I will help you. You can even use the same lines of code. Yes, Harshita, you can use model.
Yeah, in the meantime, so people who are having any queries, you can raise your hand. You can also ask in the chat, or else you can raise your hand. We will unmute you, and you can ask to the trainer directly.
You can add speed also. Okay, I can see some of you working. Divya, okay, on the color model. Perfect, nice. Others? Okay, that's good, Divya. So any of you have any other doubts, you can ask me in the chat box.
Or else you can raise
Or
your hand. We will unmute you. Okay. I think people are not having any doubts.
Okay, so I will close the session for today. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Rajeshwari, for the wonderful practical demo. It is very clear and we are able to understand it in a well perfect manner. So next, we can move to the next sessions. Next APT 5 forces available and polls also available for this demo. So the polls also you can answer. First, I like to present the screen and I will explain about APT Students Guide. There we will explain how daily the classes will be available, how we are differing from other training center. All those steps we will explain you. I am sharing the screen. Kindly watch it. Okay, yeah. So this is APT 5 forces like symbol learning methodology, students recall, creative explanation, fingertip materials, additional bonuses. Okay. Symbol learning methodology is nothing but daily. Once you join the course, the full course I am telling about this, daily the classes will be like around 75 minutes, daily 1 hour practical live class. Okay. So in which we have divided that live class into 6 sessions. Session 1 will be like 10 minutes in which you can ask the trainer previous day if you're having any doubts. Session 2 will be like 20 minutes. Today the class topics. I mean, in this session, today class topics, the trainer will take it. Then session 3, 15 minutes. You can practice whatever the trainer took in the session 2. Then again, session 4, 15 minutes, the trainer will take. Again, 10 minutes to practice. Finally, 5 minutes to recall whatever you can learn today. This is the agenda of the whole meeting. Okay, daily class, I mean, the daily class. So the next one is the habit loop. This is very, very important. So everybody is having a queue. Queue is nothing but a goal to reach the reward. What is the reward? To get placed in a company within your college, what you are studying now, or get a new job, switching from one company to another company, learning a new technology. But what we are lacking is the routine. What is the routine? If anything we are doing in a continuous manner for 40 days, 60 days, or 90 days, it will become our habit. Okay, then we can reach our reward. Okay, but usually people, they will do it for 1 day or maximum 1 week. After that, they will quit due to various reasons. So here, once you join the class, live class, daily you're going to join in a disciplined manner, in a correct standard timing. So it will become your habit. So surely you can reach your reward. The next one is a learning pyramid. So learning pyramid is teaching nothing but like if anything, if you are seeing just a lecture, if you take today, around 90 to 100 people have attended. Some people would only listen the webinar. Okay, they will only get 5%. Some person like they saw everything, whatever happening in the screen, they are reading and understanding, they will get 10%. So here we are seeing in audio visually. Okay, so the trainer is presenting and doing the code. If you are seeing that, you can get 20%. So demonstration. So she gave some examples here. So if you listen that also, you get 30. When you discuss with the trainer, some students ask the doubt and they get clarified. Those students will get 50%. So when you do the homework, whatever given by the trainer and what you have done, whatever the trainer taught to you, you will get more than 75%. In future, if you become the expert, if you're teaching others, you will get more than 90%. So all our training depends on this practical session. All the classes are practical session, 100% practical. You have to do everything today, then only we will go to the next session. The next one is like creative explanation. Everybody will having a thing in the mind like everything is available in the online for free. Why we have to pay and learn? So that we also accept that. So all the things about Java and related stuffs are available in the internet for past 20 years. Why we not learn till now? So like I already told, the habit loop is the main thing. Okay. Nowadays, if you go to the internet, lots of informations are available, but we don't know where we got to start and where we got to end. And also, if you see YouTube videos, those are pre-recorded videos. Those are not a live class videos. You can't ask your doubts to the trainer there. So that's another disadvantage. But here, when you are joining the live class, it is a totally live class. I mean, you can stop the trainer anytime and you can ask your doubts. And the trainer who is going to teach you also well expert in the market who already trained thousands of students all over the world. So the trainer know where we have to start, where we have to end, which one is currently trending in the market. Those steps you know. So you may think like why we have to pay and learn. But thing is like if you learn now, you will get job immediately. But if you are not learning, you will get the job lately. You will get it, but it will take time. So you are losing your gain in between those time. For example, if you are getting job after 1 year, 1 month salary you will lose. So you have to think in that manner. Yeah, that is a very important thing of the virtual class. Our main motive is a live class. You can stop the trainer anytime and you can ask your doubts. Then daily class notes the trainer will provide. Then apart from that, the trainer will try to explain each and everything in a pictorial diagrammatic manner. Daily class notes. And also all the classes are live and it is recorded. It is not a pre-recorded, live and recorded, and permanently the recordings will be given to you. You can lifelong make use of it. Okay, that is a very important thing. So additional bonuses, like I already told, you will get free interview session, resume preparation help, lifelong community support, professional certification guidance, job links, and also we are running consultancy. We are there also. If there is any openings, we will refer you. So this is a market minimum salary. If you're a fresher, you can minimum get 4 lakhs. Okay, some freshers are getting nowadays 8 lakhs, 12 lakhs also. So we are putting a minimum salary. If you are 2 years, you should minimum get 6 lakhs. If you are 5 years, you should minimum get 12 lakhs. This is the IT market salary. 10 years, you should minimum get 25 lakhs. Okay. So this is all about All Pro Training Students Guide. Next, I like to present the polls. You people can answer the polls. I'm sharing the screen once again. Kindly answer all the polls. Finally, I will tell the answers of the polls. I will give 5 minutes. Time now is 7:11, 7:15. We can close. Okay. Kindly answer it. Only 3 minutes available. Kindly answer the polls. the final 1 minute, I see only 45 to 50 people are answering. I request everyone to answer. I'm going to end the poll 30 seconds. Sharply at 4 minutes, I will end it. Only 75% people have participated. 76%. So please, everyone, try to participate it. I'm going to end the poll 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Totally 10 questions available, not one question. You can scroll down the question or click next. You can be able to answer. Everybody is answering, so you should get it. Click next, you will get it. Okay, I'm giving you 30 seconds more. Try to answer it. If you're not able to see, go out and come. Okay, I'm ending the poll. Thanks. Now I am going to share the results. Yeah, so the first question is, what is the file extension for a Java source file? So in which 82% told .java, 6% .class, .js, .txt. The answer is .java. 82% people told correctly. Very good. Then second question, which keyword is used to create a class in Java? So class told by 78 people, object 13 people, new 6, void 3 people. Correct answer is class. 78% people told correctly. Then what is the correct syntax to print a message in Java? System.out.println hello world. 84% people told that one. That is the correct answer. Very good. Next, which of the following is a valid Java variable name? So this question answer is told correctly by 66% of people. Variable underscore one. Then how do you start the execution of Java application? By defining the main method. That is the correct answer. 79% people told correctly. Very good. Then which data type is used to create a variable that should store text? So this question answers are string, text, char, txt. So the correct answer is string, which is answered correctly by 75% of people. So next one is, which keyword is used to define a method in Java? So the correct answer is void. 46% of people answered correctly. Very good. Then what is the correct way to create an object in Java? Correct answer is class name object, new class name. 63% of people answered correctly. Then what is used to compile a Java program? So Java C, 56% answered correctly. And finally, which of the following is not a Java primitive data type? The correct answer is string. 40% only answered correctly. It's not Boolean, it is string only. Okay, so this is all about the polls. Okay, next final session, which is nothing but the offer session. Can we move to the offer session? Yeah, I'm going to present the offer. Once the offer is completed, we will present the feedback form link. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, we are presenting the offer now. So first we can see how daily classes will be available. Okay, so the training model is like, so the training will be provided in medium like Skype or Zoom. So normal training model 35 hours. I mean the full course 30 classes around daily 75 minutes. Then apart from that, flash course also available, which will come about 5 to 10 hours in between. Then we can see about the course market price. Okay, I want you people to reply in the chat how much the course market price will be. You can answer in the chat. You can guess your amount, how much market price it is to learn the full Java course. To learn the full Java course, how much will be the market price? Yeah, many people are answering. 40,000, 35, 20, 10. Yeah, I want more answers. Around 80 people available. 60. So many people can answer. Akshida, Sandhya, Karthi, Krishida, Megda. 15,000, 10K above. Yeah. So now I am going to show you people what is the market fees to learn the course. So the course market price is like 40 to 50,000, and the flash course is like 12,000 to 15,000. Okay, this is the market price to learn this course. Okay, so do you people want to join in this price or you want more offer? Do people want to join in this price or you want more offer? Please reply in the chat. If you want more offer, you can reply like offer. Great. I'm getting more replies like want offer. Yeah, definitely we are going to give the offer to you people. So in our center, so you people are not going to get the full course. with 40K or 50K for the full course, and flash course will not be 12,000 to 15,000. So in our center, it's not 40,000 to 50,000, 12,000 to 15,000. Okay. So our center usual price is like all pro trainings price, which is just 22,000 to learn the whole course, and flash course to learn is just 6,000 rupees. Okay. So this is the offer price. I mean, our usual price in our center, all pro trainings, usual price 22,000 to learn the full course of Java, which will come about 35 hours, and the flash course just 6,000 rupees. Guys, if you like this offer, you can reply yes in the chat box. If you like this offer, reply yes in the chat box. Kindly reply. I want reply from each and every people. Xiomi replied yes. How about others? I want reply from everybody. Kindly reply yes in the chat box if you like this offer. Yeah, I'm getting more replies. I want reply from each and everyone. One person, Vijay, asking 20K. If you want more offer, I want you people to reply like offer. Kindly reply offer. Yeah, I'm getting more reply like offer. Yeah, great. That's good to see. So, guys, in this world, if you are asking something, then only you will get it. So, kindly reply whatever you are having in your mind. If you want more offer, you can reply like offer. So, you know, the market people will not give below this. Like the market price is 40,000. I am telling the minimum price in all the centers. 22,000 below that they will not give. Flash course also below 6,000 will not give. I mean, flash course will come about 10 hours. Okay, in our center. Okay, some people are asking more offer. Sure, definitely for the people who are joined today. Since especially you people are college students and freshers, we want to give more offer to you people. Once again, yeah. So currently we are not going to provide the full Java course in 22,000 and not in flash course also 6,000. You people offer price today to learn the whole course of Java, which will change your whole life as a programmer, is just rupees, and this offer is only for just 15 minutes discount. It is in 60%, more than 60% offer. It is just 12,000 rupees to learn the whole course of Java. Okay. So, and the flash course, you will not believe, from the market price, it is more than 90% offer. It is just 999. How many want this? How many want this offer? Kindly reply yes in the chat box. This is the final offer. Below that, nothing is available. So the full course is just 12,000 and the flash course is in just 999. Nobody can believe this. Full course is in 12,000 and flash course is in 999. It's a final offer. So you people can make use of it. The offer is only for 15 minutes. It will end by 7:45. So please make use of it. Okay. So the offer includes various steps which will involve these things also. Special bonuses like interview preparation, resume preparation, professional certification guidance, lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation, job guidance, everything it will involve. Okay, just imagine your special advantages like clear queries at the trainer anytime, and also training at your preferred timing, then recorded videos, daily class notes and documents. Just think, if you are a fresher, if you not done any course, if you are going, they will only give 2.5 lakhs to you. Okay, but if you done course, if you have some knowledge, okay, you will get 5 lakhs of package, okay, minimums, because they will think you have some knowledge. Same like if you are 4 years, 3 years experience, if you are currently getting 3 lakhs package, okay, and if you are jumping with minimum 30% guy, you will get 3.9 lakhs. But if you are skilled in one technology, surely you can get 100% high, 6 lakh. Same like for each years of experience, if you are getting 8 lakhs, if you are going with 30%, 10.4. So you're just spending in 12,000 and you're going to get like minimum you will get 60% hike, 12.8 lakhs or 16 lakhs. So just think of it. The full course is in just 12,000 and the flash course is just 999. Okay. It's in Indian rupees. Some people have joined from Pakistan. You can send via payment gateways. In Indian amount, you can send. This is an Indian rupee. Okay. So thank you. This is the payment link 9488775698. The offer going to end in 15 minutes. And this is the UPA link 9488775698 at the rate of Paytm. Okay, I am also sharing everything in the chat also. Okay, I am also sharing the payment links also to you people. Kindly make use of it. Once make the payment, you can contact this WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number. Payment link also shared. The link you can pay using anywhere. I mean, credit card, debit card, or any of the medium to pay. You can make the payment. Okay, fine. Finally, I like to share the feedback form link. People who are filled the feedback form only get the certificate. I shared that in the chat. Please fill the feedback form. I shared it two times. If you're not filled, you definitely will not get the certificate. Okay. Please make use of the offer. The offer will end in 10 minutes. Okay. So participants who are interested can join. Thanks for joining this webinar. People who are interested to join, kindly join it. It's a very good offer. You can think of it. You can see we are in all social media. We are sharing our link in the WhatsApp group. Everything you can see and join. So the offer will end in 10 minutes. So kindly make use of the offer. The full course is in just 999 and the workshop, I mean the flash course is just, sorry, full course is in 12,000 and flash course is in 999. Please make use of it. So I have shared the payment link. Also, the payment link is available in the screenshot. Yeah, you can make the Google Pay, Paytm, or Phone Pay. Anything you can make. Yeah, definitely. Once you make the payment, you can send the screenshot. You can put a message in the chat also. And also you can share in our WhatsApp. Same number. And we are also sharing the QR code. Using this, you can scan and you can also pay. Last 10 minutes to make use of the offer. Yeah, yeah, you can make using Google Pay also. Full course isn't just 12,000 rupees to learn the whole course, and the workshop is for just 999. The core Java. Okay, you can also make in Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, UPA link, and also we share the Razor Pay link. Using that, you can make from any one of the wallet. Okay, I also shared the Google form link. Using that, you fill the form, then only you will get the certification. Final 10 minutes, 7:45, the offer will end. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the chat. So not only this course, all kind of courses we are providing. I am sharing all the course details in the WhatsApp chat. It's an unimaginable price. The full course is in just 12,000. The workshop is in just 999 rupees. 10 hours, 999. 1 hour, you're going to be 100 rupees only. Nobody will give in this price. And kindly join all our social media links. We are available in all social media. I have shared all the details. Okay. So you will get all the updates, everything, IT updates, all course details, everything, future offers, everything. So we already trained 25,000 plus students. All over the world. So we are a genuine training center. You can see our Google business also. More than 250 people have gave the reviews who completed the course and give the review. You can see the review dates also, the genuine reviews, everything. And also check our YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. LinkedIn also we are having 6,000 followers. Facebook groups we are having around 40,000 followers now. Telegram groups, Telegram also we are available. Quora also we are available. All the links I have shared in the group. Twitter also we are having 1,000 plus followers. We are in all social media. Like you can check our website also, official website. So please make use of the offer. So monthly once free webinar we will conduct like this. We can also join that workshop. Is only for example, if you today we are giving Java workshop for just 999. It will come after 1 year or 2 year. Lastly, this happened around 1 year or 2 year back only. So yearly once only it will come. It will not come frequently. So please make use of it. But full course will available every time, but the offer will not be available. It will be only come about 22,000. So suppose if you want to join full course now with 12,000, but you not have money, you can make a token payment now, like 2,000 or 4,000 rupees. After that, you can make the remaining payment because the offer will expire in 8 minutes. Yeah, please fill the date in the feedback form. Give today date, Divya. Final 5 minutes to get the offer. Full course just 12,000 and the workshop just 999. Flash course of 10 hours just 999 and the full course is for just 12,000 rupees. We are also sharing the QR code. You can scan and make the payment. Exclusive offer today only. Flash course, like I already explained, 10 hours. Full course is for 35 hours. 35 to 40 hours it will come. Pandian. Okay, this offer is only for today. So usually our flash course is minimum 5,000 we will give. 6,000, 5,000 to 6,000. 10 hours we are just giving for 999. Okay. Yearly once or twice in the year these offers will come. Please make use of it. You can make the payment using any one of the payment link. We have shared so many things. You can make the payment and you can reply us in this chat, or else you can reply in our WhatsApp number that we are pinging in the group. Final 4 minutes. To get the offer. Final 3 minutes. We are putting our old student reviews in the chat. And we are also sending some of our students reviews also in the chat. Final 2 minutes. Sharing some of our students review in the group. Final 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm going to end now. So thank you very much for each and everyone who participated in this, the webinar. So all the best for your future. So I'm ending this webinar. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining today. Thank you.